Guys, come with me as we explore the Uptown Mall here at BGC or Bonifacio Global City. So, galing sa room natin is lalabas tayo and then we'll find dinner and then we'll see kung ano yung meron dito sa Global City. Good evening. Medyo gutom na rin tayo, guys. Yan. So, meron silang a total of 6 na elevators or lifts. Where is it? Where is the lucky door? Here. Lalabas po tayo. So, lalabas po tayo sa... This is the second floor leading to the restaurant. You can use the stairs or you can use the elevator. So, sisilip lang po tayo ng restaurant nila ng saglit. So, if you don't want to go out and then explore the diners of BGC, you can come here at the Grand Kitchen. Look at that, that's the Grand Kitchen. That's a sneak peek of the restaurant right here. So, tomorrow we'll have a buffet breakfast. We'll have a food tour here at the Grand Hyatt Hotel. And this is the lounge right here. Kung gusto mong mag-coffee while waiting for somebody, yan po. And they have live music kanina. So you can use the stairs or the elevator. In this case is, we'll use the stairs para exercise na rin. Hello po, good evening. Hi. Thank you very much. So yan po. So you have more chairs. I'll go take a look. Ayan. Thank you. Good night. So you have lounges right here. So you can just choose any of the the sofas here at the lounge. Look at this. This is really business-like, worthy of your guests. If you have some business meetings, so whether for pleasure or for business, it's a really cozy place. So the floor is carpeted. No bouncing sounds. So you can just talk as much as you can, as you want. And right here, this glass balcony, so there are no interference with your vision. This is the activity hall right here, down below. And this is it. So you can order some drinks, coffee, or even food, snacks. So they have it here, right here. So I believe that's the small kitchen that they have. You have some more chairs here. It's a lounge, some more lounges. And then for the live music, they have it here. Maybe we can use this staircase right at this section. So more drinks. And they have bathrooms right there for your use. And you can use the stairs right here. So ano na guys. Uy, bawal ang muagi diri. Kabadlong sa ta. Ibawalan nila pero muagi ta. So napagid siya ay pwede gyapon diya if you're waiting. So ganina diri ta nag-check-in aning ilang function din here. So gawas ta sa hotel and we explored the streets of BGC. Wing, 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 wing. Gawas ta guys. Hello. Exit, ma'am. Thank you. Oh, yun. Magandang hotel staff ang bumubukas ng pintuan. Ayan. Maglalakad tayo. Magandang gabi sa ating mga followers. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Bonifacio Global City. I-explore natin yung Uptown Mall. Tingnan natin kung okay ba siya. Pwede ba siyang i-recommend. So you can use this pathway going there at the end. Merong mall dyan na Japanese mall. Pero dito lang tayo dadaan. Pumunta tayo sa we'll cross the other street. So itong kaharap na building ito yung kaharap ng room. Oh my goodness, I left the camera just really very open. Yan po yung harap ng room natin doon sa 40th floor. There's another building here. And just across the street, itong Grand Hyatt na building is the Mitsukushi Japanese na mall. So karamihan dyan po ay mga Japanese na mga brands. Meron din mga international brands with isang mall na Japanese yung may-ari. And you have the Uptown Ritz. Yan. Tatawid tayo dito. You have restaurants right here. Kenneth Cabon. Maybe some exclusive restaurants. Ito, JP Morgan Chase. Across there po is makikita mo yung Landers. It's a green light for us. O itong kotse na to is hard-headed. It's already green light. You have to assert your rights, guy, pag dating sa traffic para maturuan din ng disiplina itong mga driver na nag-i-insist na yung pedestrian ay hindi pa mapagbigyan ng kanilang right of way. So this is the Uptown Ritz Residence, yung condominium din. At dito, 1 block lang po. Sa likod ng building na ito, sa harap ng hotel, ay ito na kaagad. Ito yung Mega World Uptown Mall. So, lapit-lapit lang po guys. Kagandahan ng Uptown Mall po to is meron siyang fountain na show bawat gabi. So, feel na feel mo yung vibes dito paggabi. Tapos, merong walkway po dyan na bridge connecting the other mall building dyan sa kabila where there's more restaurants and more shops for your convenience. So yan po. Oh, yan po guys. Pasok nga po tayo dito sa so you can choose the elevator, the escalator right here, or you can use the stairs. Very good. To start the exploration, guys. So you have restaurants right here outside. So, daghan kayo good chill out diri guys, oh. Mga may comfort Filipino food diri, oh. Tawag niya Nonos and Manam. Sulod ta diri. Daghan paghapon diri, oh. Team Po1. Hello, good morning, sir. Thank you. Oh. Oh, vlog. So, very gracious ilahang guard diri, guys. Pasulod na ta without having the inspection. Itong i-explore sa ilang mga stores diri. Red na red for Valentine's. Shoutout sa itong mga followers and viewers. Kung wala pa mo nag-follow, please follow. Masaya tayo dyan. Libre nang naman ang pagpa-follow. So we're right here at BGC trying to explore the place. So we are currently at the Uptown City Mall by Mega World. So, love is in the air. Sirado man yung tao na eh. No, sirado man sila. Akimbo. Flowers for sale. Pwede pa. Aldo, guys. Aldo. Okay, we're in the middle. Yves Saint Laurent. Yves Saint Laurent perfumes. By the ATM machines and then restrooms. Pangabubot, mga bags. Biyahe tayo, ma'am.
Hi, vlog.
Hello, vlog.
Hi, guys.
Grabe. Kamusta ang Valentine's Day, ma'am?
Okay naman po.
Anong okay naman po? Parang matamlay.
Hindi pwede maging matamlay.
Dapat energetic. Okay talaga, di ba?
Yes.
Oh. Ma'am, ito mo. Hanapin mo lang, biyahe tayo.
Biyahe tayo.
Yan o. Naka-live tayo ngayon. Paki-follow na lang po.
Naka-live ka? Tingnan natin.
Yes, ma'am.
Follow.
Naka-live yung... Single ba, ma'am? Single?
No.
Oh, take na. Single, hindi.
Single.
Okay. Available. Guys, alam nyo na anong gawin, ha? I-greet nyo lang si ma'am. Biyahe tayo, ma'am.
Biyahe tayo.
Ito, ma'am.
Marami ka na po bang viewers? Wala pa.
Pag nandyan ka, siyempre, dadami sila.
Oh, sure.
Diba?
Pakitutok.
Shy na.
Yes po.
Sa may-ari nito, ha? Huwag kang magalit, sir, ha?
No po.
Si ma'am, walang name tag, ha? Palabas mo naman, ma'am, para magkilala ka. Diba? Oh, yun. Magkita ka ni bossing dyan, wala kang team.
Biyahe tayo.
Biyahe tayo. Si Jessa. Oh, yun. Ang ganda-ganda ni yung Jessa. Ma'am, ito mo. Biyahe tayo. Makakaroon tayo, ma'am, ng mga travel package dyan. Baka magka-raffle tayo. Mga gift certificates for travel. Yan. So, pwede natin makita. People, ma'am. People. Kasi hindi siya Facebook page. People po, ma'am.
Naka-turn ito, ma'am.
Mm.
Tayo. Buray mo yung
Ah.
traffic.
Ah.
Hello po.
Yun, kita mo, ma'am? Paki-follow na lang, mama.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Name niyo, ma'am?
Secret.
Thank-
Sophia.
Sophia. Ma'am Sophia.
First.
Wow. Thank you, Ma'am Sophia.
Lang, sir.
Ikat-ikat. Yeah. Yung mga ano, kasi travel content yun, ma'am. So, isa rito, BGC, at saka anong mall dito. Di ba? At mga magagandang dalaga. Eto. Sige, mama. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you po.
Right. Yan po. Balls. So, they have a basement, a shopping center down below. Pwede tayo dyan. Penguin. Levi's. New era para sa mahilig ng mga sombrero. New Balance. Sapatos, jackets. Pizza Express. Mondays. Sa mga mahilig mag-golf, ito po, Red Perry. Pandora. Jo Malone. Perfumes. Yeah, Adidas. Oh. Yun. Like this one. Gusto ko to. Wow. 6'5". Shoutout sa ating mga viewers. Annabel, Benedicto, Kakdak, Ma'am Annabel. Good evening sa inyo. Shoutout Marlene. Shoutout sa inyo, Ma'am. Gandang gabi po. So, we're making a tour dito sa BGC. Itong mall na ito. Seiko watches. G-Shock. Hello, ma'am. May mga straps kayo, ma'am, na available for G-Shock, ma'am?
For G-Shock po,
Oo. Wala.
sa service center po yun.
Ah, okay. Anong pangalan ng service center, ma'am?
Ano po, sa One Corporate Building, sir.
Ay, thank you very much, ma'am. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Okay. So, nasa G-Shock po tayo. One Corporate Building. More Adidas. Brand with the 3 stripes. Oh, mas malaki. Let's go check out, guys. Baka may matipuhan tayo. Oh, wow. Yung cup na yan, maganda. Meron pa dun, no? Maganda din ito. Yan lang, printed. Ito naman. Luma na design. Wow, I like this. Must have. Gusto ko yan.